Creating multiple landing pages in Shopify allows you to target different audiences and products, improving your marketing and conversion rates. Here's how you can create multiple landing pages on Shopify. Access your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account. In the left sidebar, click on Online Store and then Pages. Create a new page. Click Add Page to create a new landing page. Enter a title for your landing page. Use the content editor to add text, images, videos, and other elements to your page. You can also add a custom HTML block for more advanced designs. Customize the page design. To enhance the look, you can customize your page using a theme builder or by editing the page's liquid code. If using a pre-made template, select a template that fits your landing page goals. Set a custom URL. After creating the page, go to the search engine listing preview and edit the URL to something memorable and related to the landing page content. Add to navigation. Once your page is ready, go to navigation and add the new landing page to your store's navigation or link it in marketing campaigns.